Okay. Let's start as soon as my friend joins.
Do you want to introduce me?
Let's start as soon as lips. Smell.
That's me.
Okay, and
where are we going? What are we doing?
Cut down trees.
Cut down trees. All
yes.
Right.
So the first step we're gonna want to do is punch trees with your fist. It doesn't. Don't.
Is that a left or a right click? What's this here at the bottom of the tree?
Beehive.
Ooh, should I get it?
No. Don't. Fine, break it then. Break it. I dare you.
No, I didn't break it.
Break it. I dare you.
Will the bees attack me?
Yes.
Of course.
Okay. So first you're gonna punch wood. Okay. That's the first step. Punch. Get as much wood as you can. And also, guys, look at my character. Yay!
What did you click on to change the view then?
F5.
F5. Alright, cool.
Do you want to try F5, Mummy?
No.
Okay.
I think it's good enough that you've explained that yourself.
And just so you know, that's only on computer. I don't know how to do it on if you're on tablet or Xbox or PlayStation. Sorry, I don't know how to help you. I'm gonna just so you know, replant the trees. We don't want to cause deforestation. Replant the trees.
How do I by planting a sapling?
Yep. My game is lagging.
Oh. Did you literally just put one on that dirt?
Yeah.
I was just about to.
Oh. Okay, so now turn all your wood into planks, just like here.
Alright, hang on.
And when
I'm just getting a few more.
That's enough wood, Mummy. Cause enough deforestation. And then you're gonna need to make one crafting table. Oh, and also if you're on this screen here, from starting off, click this button right here, and then you'll be able to have the screen I have. Make a couple sticks.
I planted my sapling. I've got 14 wood. So what do I do with it?
Mummy, so turn them into planks in your inventory. the new wolf type. If only we had bones. Okay, so next you're gonna want to place your crafting table.
I made 56
okay,
planks.
so and make a couple sticks. Make 20 sticks, and then I'll show you what to do next.
Yep.
Okay, make a crafting table. You don't have to because you can just use my crafting table. Okay. Place a crafting, guys. You guys have to place a crafting table down. Make a wooden pickaxe with the sticks and oak planks. Okay. And then what you have to do is dig down and get 19 stone. Okay. See, I'll come back when I get the stone. We're gonna cut it when I get the stone.
Am I making a house as well as you making a house?
After you do what I teach them. Okay.
Are you digging in the ground?
Yes, we need stone.
Okay, so am I going down too?
We're cutting it until I get all the stone.
Right.
Hang on, Mummy. Hang on.
I haven't got a pickaxe.
Yeah.
Should I have made?
I told you the steps.
Oh, did you? Oh my goodness.
I still told them the steps.
Did you?
I'm cutting it until I get out. I'm cutting it.
So how do I make a pickaxe? Alright, that's okay.
Okay, I'm coming out. Okay, I'm back and I have 19 cobblestone. And then what you want to do is sadly throw away your wooden pickaxe. If you like dirt, keep your dirt. I'm gonna keep my dirt. And then what you're gonna do is make a sword, a pickaxe, an axe, a shovel, a stone shovel, a stone hoe, and a furnace. There we go. We're going to need to get 11 cobblestone to make wood stone tools.
Yeah. I'm going down.
Okay. And then the next step is wait guys. I found a village. We're going there next. And a cherry blossom. This is such a good spawn. Okay, animal lovers, you may want to look away. You looking away because okay, you can look now. You can look now. You can look. So
how much cobblestone should I get?
11.
11, okay.
The village has a blacksmith. That can you see it over there? Can you see the blacksmith over there? That's gonna be good because then we can get some stone. Tell me when you have 11 stone.
Now I think.
Okay, sweet. So now what you're gonna do is go up and craft yourself a full set of wooden tools, of stone tools.
Okay.
Okay. I'll meet you. I'll see you at the village. Okay.
Yep.
Which is this way that I'm heading. Okay, guys. Just so you know, you won't have the exact same spawn as me, but it will be pretty close. And animal lovers, you may want to look away. Okay, you can look now. What was that? Did you guys just see that? What was that? That is insane. Wait, watch this. See that flower? It's gonna break when I walk through it. To it. No? Wait, can the flowers get placed on sand? No? Then why was it there?
What do I use to cut down a tree?
Axe.
The axe? Stone axe?
Okay,
Right,
we're almost there at the village. Can you see that there now? Can you see it now? There's a blacksmith, which that has a chance to give us iron or even diamonds, which will be really good for the start. 2 beehives in a row? Oh, pink flowers. Those are going to be good for the bed. Oh, and now we're going to need 6 wool because we have...
I just picked up an apple off the ground.
Okay. Okay, so let's head to the village. We're almost there. Okay, so what we're going to do is raid the blacksmith.
Are you going to build a house or are you doing something else first?
Someone else first.
Alright.
Wooden pickaxe.
I'll just collect some wood ready for
And
our
let's
house.
see. 4 iron, apples, horse armor, saddle. Ooh, actually diamond horse armor. Okay, that was
Hey, there's
really
a sheep.
good. Kill it. We need it.
It's running away from me.
Use the sword.
Alright,
We're raiding the chest.
I got some raw mutton,
Ooh,
but
ooh,
no.
bed.
I
Bed.
got some white wool.
Okay.
So that will help
Sweet.
for a
We
bed,
we need white wool.
How about a pig? Do we need anything from a pig?
No. Animal lovers, look away. Okay, you can look back now. Ooh, a hoe? Yeah, I'm so glad I made this hoe. So, Mummy, you gonna meet us at the village?
Yep.
Get some books for the road.
Where's the village? We've got this crafting table. Should I pick it up?
Yeah. Head the same way I went. I don't see your name. I don't see you anymore.
Neither.
Hang on a sec. I'll be back, guys.
So from where we were. Okay. I'll head over. I'll be there in a minute.
Okay, I'm back. So we can turn all of this into wheat.
So are we hijacking someone else's village, are we?
Yes.
Rather than building our own?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I was just collecting wood so we could build our own house.
Okay. Well, after we do this, then we'll give back their village.
Do we
Okay.
need chickens?
We can give back their village now. I have everything out we need from it. I got us a bed.
Do we need any chickens?
No.
Or bunnies?
No, don't kill a bunny.
No, I didn't. I'm not killing anything.
Okay, hello, Mummy. Let's build. Where should we build our base? Around here? I think around here would be cool. There's a ton of flowers. you think so, Mummy?
I don't even know where you are.
Here.
Oh, right next to me. Hey!
Okay. It's almost night time. Mummy, I can make I'm making a, I made you a bed.
Oh, okay. So, is that my bed?
Yep.
And where's your bed?
I'm making it.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
So
How's mine?
I just did a respawn.
Yep.
And now we're sleeping for the night?
Yep, we're sleeping, and now it's daytime.
Alright.
Okay, let's put my 3 furnaces in my
there's some
grindstone.
bees.
I know.
Alright, so are we literally building
A house, yes.
under these trees?
We can break them.
Huh?
Break the leaves. Okay. Wait, what should we do next, Mummy? There's a ton of stuff we can do in this game. Well, actually, let's craft a shield. Shields are really good. I'm crafting a shield.
Well, is that enough for the beginning video?
I guess. I'll craft you a shield. There you go.
Because we can do something else in the next video, can't we?
True. But we need to build the house to finish this video. We need to build the house.
We'll finish the house first. Okay. So, you've built a couple of things.
Yep. Yeah, here's some bread. Just in case you're hungry.
I am hungry actually. I got 2 apples as well.
Okay.
Thanks for giving me the bread though.
I have 6 apples.
Thanks for giving me the bread though.
Oh guys, you should, and guys, if you throw away the dirt, I wouldn't recommend that because I actually need the dirt to expand this. I'm gonna get some more dirt because I need it there.
Are you expanding the ground here?
Yeah.
Alright, I think I have a bit of dirt here. Yeah, I'll put my few down.
Okay, 18. There we go. All these stone tools really came in handy. There we go. This will be good.
Is that as big as you want it, or?
It's good for a starter house.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and also
So
try and break.
Change yours to planks.
Yeah. And also try and break some leaves. Try and break some grass to get some seeds, because that would be good for episode 2.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just gonna quickly craft a door. Just in case. Oh no, that's a problem. I'm running out. I'm out of planks.
Do you want me to throw you a couple?
Yes, please.
Alright.
That's not planks, but I do need
Hang
them.
on.
Press Q. There we go. I'm gonna need more than 1.
Oh, how do I drop them all?
Go in your inventory. Active, and then throw them. Yeah, there we go.
Is that better?
Yep.
I got some more. Hang on.
Wood.
How about that? And I got some oak logs.
Yes, logs.
There you go.
Thanks.
I have a shield.
Yeah, I gave it to you.
Oh, okay, thanks. And I have some wool and some raw mutton and some bread. And only 2 cobblestones.
Okay.
Not many. Because I made some stone.
Okay, so you guys, you don't have to.
Where are we making the front door?
So you guys, you don't have to build a base exactly the same to this. Just make it so it works. That's all it matters. It just needs to work. And I think this base works really well. Oh, now go. Let's mine the door. I'm gonna mine a 2x2 door. There we go. Just that and that. And if you like Mummy, it's okay. If you like my Mummy that doesn't know how to walk upstairs, it's okay. You'll learn eventually.
I'm like shocking, aren't I really struggle. Oh, you made a front door. Great.
Yep.
Awesome.
You have to open it.
Yeah. Alright, nice little world we're going here. I've also got another crafting table on me as well, so I'm actually going to stick it up the other end.
Okay. Oh, I can make more bread. Oh, Mummy, here's some more bread.
Thanks.
Okay. Well, that'll be it for. Wait, no, we still
All
need
it is a
one, two, three, 4.
4 more.
I'll break one more. I'll break one more logged. One log equals 4 planks. I just
Yeah.
need 1 logged. Please don't tell me you placed them.
Now also these dirt patches on the ground that are next to grass, over time they become grass.
Yes.
So it won't always look patchy. It will change.
There we go.
Good job.
Wait. There's still one more thing we need to do.
A light.
Yes.
How do we get a light?
So, what you're gonna need is get 2 pieces of wood. I'm not lying, that's it. No, I'm kidding, there's more to a process. You still have
Do I need to do it or
No,
have you done
just me.
to do it?
So remember the furnace I made you to craft earlier? So craft one of the logs you made into planks, put the log as fuel in the furnace, and then put the log you didn't turn into planks at the top, and it will start cooking into charcoal. I'll show you what we're gonna do then after that.
Otherwise you can go and get coal.
Yeah.
Like from digging
Okay.
it out
And
of
now
the stone.
from that we have charcoal. We grab the charcoal, put the
Do you need more sticks?
No, I have enough. I have 9.
Alright.
We put 1 stick here, 1 coal here, and we have 4 torches. Place the 4 torches around the base, and now it's lit up. Okay,
when it's night time.
Yep. Okay, that's all for this episode. See you soon.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out my other video. It's coming out very soon. It's going to be a number 2. You'll love it. Bye.